Hey guys, so today we're just going to show you how to use or how much to use of the product. Today I'm going to be spraying NPK. So it says on the back that you need a liter per 4,000 square feet. So I'm going to put a liter in here, dump it in here, add water, and then we're going to spray with this. And we'll spray the back. Give the bottle a shake. There's your 1 liter. Put it in your sprayer. Just wanted to show you guys this has a screen, so you guys saw that I just dumped it in there and look at what it got. So such a tools, you know, they know what they're doing. So we'll go add water and we'll spray it and we'll give it a stir. Turn on the faucet. Add our water. I won't be using the whole thing since it's 4,000 square feet. The back isn't 4,000 square feet altogether, so we're gonna have to share this with the front, but I haven't mowed it yet, so just for video purposes I'm just showing you guys how much to measure out if you guys do decide to buy the product. I know a couple people on the YouTube channel have been asking to make a video on what are the measurements, because they kind of got confused, so that's what we're doing. We're just gonna fill it up. It says 4 gallon on the backpack sprayer, which is about 4,000. About, sorry, 4 gallon is about 16. What does that say? Liters, 16 liters. You know, this right here is 16 liters. On the other side, it's marked 4G for 4 gallon. Fill it up, cut a line. We're gonna use the drill to give it a good stir. Yeah, this is a paint stir stick, and we're just gonna spray.